Migrating your HR shared services platform is a complex process that requires careful planning, a strong team, and a detailed transition plan. Using this video, you can ensure that your migration is successful and you achieve the desired goals and objectives. And yes, don't forget to download the pre-designed HR shared service migration implementation roadmap for quick and easy implementation to maximize team efficiency with a streamlined work plan. Use this content-ready PowerPoint presentations template to start enlisting the steps or essential elements like phases, activities, and milestones of the migration roadmap for a smooth transformation. This roadmap design highlights the 5 phases of the HR service migration with color-coded ribbons. The process commences with the assessment phase, definition, selection of service providers, holding relevant meetings, operations, and improvement phase. Next comes noting the activities needed to complete each phase and uninterrupted migration of HR shared services. This pre-designed PowerPoint presentation template will help you set milestones in the implementation roadmap to track the progress and effectiveness of your team efforts. Setting deadlines and creating a timeline are important to make the implementation process effective and ensure a good return on investment. Calculate the time it will take you for shared service migration with the technologies, workforce, skills, and equipment you have, and design a detailed timeline using this presentation design. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found this video informative and valuable in your migration journey. Use our presentation template and follow the steps outlined to ensure a smooth and successful migration that will lead to improved HR services and increased business benefits.